Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to mute or unmute a YouTube video. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and maybe you want to mute or unmute videos. There are different ways to do this, and this full guide will show you how step by step. When a video is muted, you won't hear any sound. If you unmute it, the sound will play again. Watch this full guide to learn all the different ways to mute or unmute videos. First, make sure you're on a video. It doesn't matter which one. Method 1. Using the video player. Move your cursor over the video to see the options at the bottom. On the left, near the play/pause button, you'll see the mute icon. Click it to mute the video, and click it again to unmute. You can also adjust the volume with the slider. Shortcut. Press the M key on your keyboard to quickly mute or unmute the video. Method 2. Mute the entire browser tab. If the video is still unmuted but you can't hear it, right-click on the browser tab at the top. You'll see an option to mute site. Click it to mute, and right-click again and select Unmute Site to restore sound. That's it. That's how you can mute or unmute YouTube videos. If you found this helpful and want more guides, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll be back with more helpful tutorials soon. Have a great day, and goodbye for now.